5 Effective Remedies for Bronchitis. A bad cough can end up turning into bronchitis. This happens when the layer that covers your bronchia becomes inflamed and restricts access to your lungs. This means that your body is more likely to contract an infection. Then, less air also gets in. This is the reason that it's difficult to breathe and there's a frequent cough with excessive phlegm. Fortunately, if this is treated in time, there aren't severe consequences. In general, people who don't pay attention to the symptoms of bronchitis can end up with a chronic problem. And with the passage of time, your lungs will be severely damaged. And your respiratory problems will increase. This can even cause heart failure. Kinds of bronchitis. Acute. This kind of bronchitis can be caused by a virus, the flu, or a common cold. It's caught when a person coughs and the bacteria stays in the air. It can also be transmitted through physical contact. It lasts 10 days, however, your cough lasts for weeks even though the infection has disappeared. If you take care of it in time, it'll get better in a few days. Chronic. When the patient gets to this level, they need to be prepared to suffer a permanent disease with a high level of severity. That happens when the layer of your bronchia spends a lot of time irritated and you have a recurring cough. Bacteria or virus infect your bronchia and make the suffering worse. It's possible that, even though a doctor treats it, you can have a relapse. This is because the bronchia suffer from irreversible damage. Symptoms. Tiredness, fever, muscle aches, frequent cough, excess phlegm, pain in your chest. Don't wait to see your doctor if the cough doesn't let you rest. It lasts more than 3 weeks. You have blood in your phlegm. You have difficulty breathing. Natural remedies for bronchitis. Water and salt. This remedy is very basic and effective for decongesting your chest. It consists of gargling with water and salt. The mixture helps to get rid of phlegm that accumulates in your respiratory tract. Ingredients. One cup of water, 2 tablespoons of salt. Instructions. Put the water on to boil. When it starts boiling, take it off of the heat, add 2 tablespoons of salt, and mix well. Then take a mouthful and gargle it for a minute. Repeat 5 times and wait for the effect. Lemon. Did you know that many medicines have lemon? This is due to its ascorbic acid content. This is what we commonly know as vitamin C. Also, thanks to its antioxidant effect, it helps to get rid of bacteria that form in your respiratory tracts. Ingredients: 1 lemon, juice, 1 cup of water. Instructions: heat up a cup of water and add the lemon juice to it. Mix it well and wait 5 minutes before drinking it. Eucalyptus. The properties of eucalyptus make it one of naturalists' favorite plants. This is because it has expectorant, antibacterial, and decongestant effects. When you make a tea with it, it doesn't just work when you drink it. You can also inhale it to encourage the expulsion of phlegm. Ingredients: 4 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of eucalyptus leaves. Instructions: put 4 cups of water on to boil and add the eucalyptus. Let it steep for 15 minutes. Drink it 3 times per day and you'll notice the improvement. Oregano. Oregano is a combo of healing defenses. Besides being high in antioxidants, it has phenolic acids. It stands out for the following properties. Digestive tonic, expectorant, antispasmodic, diaphoretic antibiotic. Don't worry if you notice symptoms of a cold or fatigue when you take it. This ingredient gets rid of the bacteria that build up in your blood. When you have these symptoms, it's a symptom that your body is detoxifying. To counteract these nuisances, you need to drink at least 2 quarts of water per day. Ingredients: 4 tablespoons of oregano, 1 and 1/2 cup of honey. Instructions: First, put the 4 tablespoons of oregano in a frying pan and cook them on low heat. Then, add them to a container with honey and mix them well. Take a spoonful every day. Mallow. Mallow has anti-inflammatory and expectorant properties. It decongests the layers that cover your bronchi. And it also makes it easier to get rid of phlegm. Ingredients: 5 tablespoons of mallow leaves, 4 cups of water. Instructions: add the mallow leaves and water to a pot and bring it to a boil. Let it slowly boil for at least 20 minutes. Sweeten it to your taste. Drink 3 cups per day. Recommendations: exercise lightly to strengthen the muscles that help you breathe. Stay away from environments where there is generally a lot of humidity. Drink at least 2 quarts of water and tea. Don't expose yourself to rapid temperature changes. Don't use aerosol products.